Alright, so a couple weeks ago we did an unboxing of the remote control flip car.
Yeah.
And what did Daddy forget?
Put batteries in there.
Yes, but now we got batteries.
Yeah.
We got them in the car, and now it's time for some flip car action.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sound so excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Alright, let's go play with flip car.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, we got the LED action. Alright. Go for it.
Where is here? Daddy, what are you doing? Don't wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
Alright, it's pretty cool. Alright, so we can go forward.
Backwards.
Go backwards. And go. Whoa! It just flipped right around.
It's wet.
We're going to set up an obstacle course. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! And it came back around. You turn left. There you go. With the lights off.
What?
Let's see. Whoa, look at that.
No, but how we can do that? Okay. Let's go. Oh God. Yeah. Okay.
Bam. Let's get the turtles.
I'm trying to get the turtle. Let's get the turtle. Turtle. Oh yeah. I knocked over me. Yeah, push a truck. I pushed them.
And he just turned right around.
And I thought, yeah, but that. No.
Oh.
And people with no problem can punch them. But no people with a garden and get things in your
To work.
it flips and when it's turned on and you do everything does it.
Alright, how did you play with it?
A controller.
Yeah.
And I'm sure this.
Is the control easy? Or is it hard to control?
It's good and it's not hard. It's good.
Alright, high five. Bam! Alright, thumbs up. Good toy?
Yeah.
Alright.
See you later, guys. Bye.